Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways. STEPN price prediction. This STEPN GMT price prediction 2022 video relies upon specific assessment alone. Underneath, you will see the key estimations that we have thought about in the wake of creating our green metaverse token, GMT, esteem examination and conjecture. There are various advanced monetary forms that spike to another unparalleled during this 2021 bull run. On the other hand, some crypto moreover defied a downtrend position. Thusly, various crypto traders are worried about whether the opportunity has arrived to hold or sell their crypto. This is similarly the very case that merchants are experiencing in GMT. Regardless, STEPN is one of the freshmen in the market that has given its monetary benefactors over 200% returns in the past around 14 days. Before long, the crypto market is converging of late and various advanced types of cash are losing their previous advantages. Will GMT experience a comparable expense unsteadiness? We'll sort out right away in this STEPN cost assessment 2022 video. Overall, could we look at what STEPN GMT is? STEPN at this point stays at $1.34 United States dollars, with a market capitalization of $810,635,758, making it rank 229 on the main coins list. GMT has a 24-hour volume of $753,852,589, as shown by TechNewsLeader Price Index. The worth of STEPN has changed by 5.32% in the beyond 24 hours. In the latest 7 days, the expense of GMT has a distinction of 9.46%. It is limited to the best reserve of 2,035,852 coins. STEPN past price analysis. As demonstrated by the latest data collected, the continuous expense of STEPN is $1.35, and GMT is at this point situated number in the entire crypto climate. The core supply of STEPN is 600 million, with a market cap of $810,637,766. In the past 24 hours, the crypto has been reduced by 4.79% in its continuous worth. Accepting we examine the continuous business area cap of the GMT with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is moreover down. STEPN is defying a troublesome time hopping on board with other crypto coins. The GMT is down to almost 5.93% over the latest 7 days. The coin is at this point showing taking a risk with illustrating segments for ongoing days. The coin could significant solid areas for have yet, we don't feel that it would a useful asset right now. In any case, subsequent to differentiating the continuous expense and late days expense history, it is seen that STEPN has extended 96.551% in its worth. The run-of-the-mill smallest expense for the month is $0.047, while the most outrageous typical expense was $0.047. This recommends that this coin is a sensible asset and one more extension to your plan of coins for the long stretch. The 90 days cost change is around 95.64%, and the expense flowed from a base regular expense of $0.059 to the best typical expense of $0.059 in the past 90 days. In the last 4 months, STEPN has shown a creating design. In like manner, we accept that equivalent bits of the market were very notable at that period. According to the latest data accumulated, the trading volume of STEPN is extended from 4 months. The trading volume contains a key work in its expense. The coin is up by 95.72%, with the best average expense of the coin being around $0.054, and the base run-of-the-mill esteem was around $0.054 past 4 months. STEPN, GMT, price prediction forecast for 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, and 2030. At Cryptonic.com we expect future STEPN cost assumptions GMT measure by applying significant man-made awareness, helped particular analysis of the past worth data of STEPN. We give a brave work to assemble the best legitimate data for the GMT coin, which integrates various limits like past worth, STEPN market cap, STEPN volume, and scarcely any longer. Accepting that you are wanting to place assets into mechanized cryptographic types of cash and need incredible benefit from your endeavors, attempt to scrutinize our assumptions. STEPN, Price Prediction 2022. As shown by our significant specific examination of past worth data of GMT, in 2022, the expense of STEPN is expected to arrive at any rate level of $1.85. The GMT cost can show up at a most outrageous level of $2.10, with the common trading cost of $1.92. STEPN, Price Prediction 2023. The expense of STEPN is expected to reach at any rate level of $2.71 in 2023. The STEPN cost can show up at the best level of $3.28, with the normal expense of $2.79 all through 2023. GMT price forecast for 2024 to 2025. As per the check cost and concentrated examination, in 2024, the expense of STEPN is expected to arrive at any rate level of $4.10. The GMT cost can show up at the best level of $4.65, with the common trading cost of $4.21. The expense of 1 STEPN should reach at any rate level of $6.07 in 2025. The GMT cost can show up at the best level of $7.16, with a run-of-the-mill cost of $6.24 all through 2025. STEPN, Price Prediction 2026. STEPN cost is figured to show up at a most negligible possible level of $8.75 in 2026. As per our disclosures, the GMT cost could show up at the best possible level of $10.44, with a common assessed cost of $9.07. STEPN, Price Prediction 2027. As demonstrated by our significant specific examination of past worth data of GMT, in 2027, the expense of STEPN is expected to be at around a base worth of $12.47. The STEPN esteem worth can show up at a constraint of $15.46, with a commonplace trade worth of $12.92, in United States dollars. STEPN, GMT, Price Prediction 2028. The expense of